What's up?
Welcome.
Yo, thank you.
I am coming from East Africa. You?
I'm from the Philippines.
Eh?
Yeah,
Replay.
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Para Philippines man. Makalabati. Philippines country. You is the
Yeah.
Asia or Africa or
Asia,
Europe?
Asia.
Eh?
I'm in Asia. It's in Asia.
You have watermelon?
Yeah, yes. We have watermelon in our country.
Oh, you have a watermelon country? Nice.
Yes.
How many you have years old?
How old am I? I'm 22.
Yes, you
How
years
about
old.
you?
How much?
I'm 22 years old.
23 years old?
22. 22.
Or
Thank you, Steven.
22? Okay.
22.
If you shopping, if you going shopping, you stand in the kilo. How much you have kilogram?
I don't quite remember.
Yeah, I reply for you. If you going, you are shopping, you stand on the waiting. How much you have kilogram now?
41?
41?
Yeah.
Arritti, قدما سلك الفيزا بقى 41. How much you are land leg on the head? How much long meter?
5'5". It's I think in 165 in centimeters.
You 165 centimeters?
Yes.
Okay, show me. I am stand up. You check me. I am check you. Is coming. Check.
Wait.
Okay. Look. Oh. Okay. Turn
Sorry.
around. There is not sit. Replay. Turn around. Turn around.
Wait.
Okay.
I will turn around.
Yes, stand up, turn around, I look you, you are talking for you, everything answer is correct or false, I look. Stand up.
Why? Isn't
Hurry. Malagafata, why? I say you will stand up, you are, every answer is correct or never correct, I look.
No, I do not have feet. I'm sorry.
Oh, you have no watermelon, no kitten, no cola, no everything?
No.
Okay, come tomorrow. Wisha, come tomorrow. Arritti full gubatidel.